Hey, good evening. So we're out here tonight at Disney Village in Disneyland Paris. Come out to Annette's Diner. So this is a very awesome looking American diner here in Disney Village. There's not a lot of restaurants here, so to have this is really cool. There's normally a queue stretching all the way down here after fireworks, so we come out of the park just before the fireworks to specifically get in here. So the aesthetic of it looks amazing. We've got these cars outside, we've got the American road with the signs, everything, so it's going to be really cool. We're going to go inside and have a few items to eat and take you along for the ride. So if you do enjoy the video throughout, give us a thumbs up. I do appreciate it, it really does help us out a lot. It would be great if you could hit that subscribe button and bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. Let's go inside and have some food. Some of the aesthetics inside here look really awesome. We've got the staff on rollerblades as well. Look at this fella, see? Going all around, all out. It really is an American diner. Look at this. We've got a proper jukebox here. So here inside Annette, give you a little bit of an overview of the menu. So we got some starters, hash browns, chicken wings, we've got quesadillas as well. You've got the biggies and the megas and the XXLs. So these are like all different types of burgers and main courses basically. So you've got chicken salad, the biggie Annette's, original mega burger, rockabilly burger, 50/50, the Maxi Incredible Burger, I'm assuming that's huge. Then you've got some specialties in there, a fish burger, avocado burger, some classics. You've got a couple of set menus here, which is pretty good. You've got a favourites menu, you've got the hula hoop menu, which gives you a dessert as well. And that's a choice of sort of the larger, the biggie and the megas for the hula hoop menu. Of course, you've got a children's menu and then desserts. And everything is Ben & Jerry's ice cream, which is cool. And you can celebrate your birthday with them, so I'm assuming that will be very much like what you get in the resorts as well, where they come out and clap for you and bring you a cake. For drinks, we've got some draft beers. So you've got Kronenberg, you've got Corona Bud on bottles. You've got a number of wines and you've got some cool drinks. These are just the Coca-Cola branded drinks. And we do have a few cocktails as well, so we've got quite an extensive menu here. As it's the 30th anniversary celebration of Disneyland Paris here as well, we have got a couple of 30th anniversary menu items. So we've got this burger, which is called the 30th anniversary burger. We've got the Purple Party milkshake, which looks really awesome. The burger looks cool as well. And then as we turn this around, we've got a couple of cocktails. So we've got the Fruit Celebration cocktail, which is gin, elderflower liquor, blackberry, green, apple, grape and lemon drink. And then you've got blackberry, green apple, grape and a lemon drink non-alcoholic version. And you've also got a couple of bottles of wine to celebrate as well. Because we are in France after all. You can't have France without wine. So first up, we've got our cocktails that have come out. So I've gone for the Fruit Delight. This is the 30th anniversary cocktail, as you can see. We've got a little 30th anniversary logo. And basically anything that they've got 30 written on, they can charge extra for it, can't they? It's really quite cool. And Becky's gone for the Mess Around cocktail. And this is Bacardi Carte Blanche Rum, guava, passion fruit and mango nectars with strawberry syrup. And it looks quite cool, big bit of pineapple in there as well. So we've gone for our hash browns with Annette's specialty sauce. These are cute little hash browns actually as well. And we've gone for the chicken wings with vegetable cutlets and blue cheese sauce. So these look very good, very well done. The hash browns look nice and crispy. So this will be good. So, bit of an update on the cocktails. Becky's tastes like an alcoholic orange and passion fruit J2O, which isn't a bad thing at all, because orange and passion fruit J2Os are really nice. Mine's very blackcurranty. The 30th anniversary one's very blackcurranty, and you can feel like the bits of blackcurrant like in the bottom of the drink, so it's like coming up through the straw, but really good. The Annette sauce, oh my goodness, that is so nice. So nice. You can see how they've got their own sauce, and they can just go with, oh, it's Annette sauce, because it tastes amazing. Chicken wings are cooked to perfection. The hash browns are really well done as well. Loving it so far. So our burgers have come out. I've got the 50/50 burger. Now this is a burger. You've got pepper jack cheese on there. You've got breaded chicken strips, as you can see inside. You've got bacon, peppers, Annette sauce, and some coriander in there somewhere as well. And a whole bunch of chips. Wow. And we've also gone for the 30th anniversary burger. And this is a bun and roll, double beef burger, jalapenos and chili cheese, purple mustard sauce, tomato, lettuce, pickled cauliflower and red onions, as well as these kind of chips. That looks like it's actually on a croissant bun as well. So this is going to be interesting. You've got icing sugar over the top, I think. It's flour, not icing sugar. So, making up the 30th anniversary logo. Well, the mega burgers are seriously mega. I don't think you need to have one each. If you do have one each, you don't have to start a main and a dessert, because, whoa, we're stuffed now. We couldn't finish everything. The 30th anniversary burger, probably wouldn't order it again. It wasn't bad, but that mustard was a bit much, I think. Very strong flavours in there. The cheese was strong, the mustard was strong. The 50/50 burger was nice. We deconstructed it because it came out and it was like a foot high, basically. So we took off the bun, we took out the chicken strips, ate the chicken strips separately, then you had another bun in the middle, and then your burgers and your bacon underneath, so we just deconstructed everything. And we had ourselves 2 smaller burgers, so that was good. But yeah, you don't need starter, main and dessert each, because it's just way too much. So here we've got the Purple Party milkshake. This is vanilla flavoured ice cream with blueberry puree, whipped cream, beignet, Mickey beignet, another one, chocolate sauce, and we've got little stars on there. We've also got this little 30th anniversary medallion on there as well. One thing we did get, another dessert. We got the cheesecake. Now this is a very funky looking cheesecake, lots of almonds on there. Got Mickey waffle down the side, not a proper Mickey waffle. But it's quite nice looking. If you're not a fan of peanuts or cinnamon or anything like that, you're not going to like this, but it's good looking dessert either way. So let's dig into this. So that's it for our meal here at Annette's in Disney Village at Disneyland Paris. Pretty good meal. The food was cooked really well. The burgers tasted great. The 30th anniversary burger, very intense on those flavours, very intense. So if that's what you're looking for, you're on it. And on that point, if you're looking for burgers, this is the place to come. If you're not a fan of burgers, because some of us aren't, don't be coming here, because that's basically all it is. Our bill came to €92 after using our annual pass discount. It's 10% off the annual pass, so it was just over €100 in total. But we did have a 3-course meal with cocktails as well, so make of that what you will. We would suggest coming here if you're a family. Definitely a place that you're going to love. The kids are going to love it. People going around in their rollerblades, their roller skates. That's cool, right? Proper 50s style diner stuff. But if you did enjoy the video throughout, give it a thumbs up. Do appreciate it. It really does help us out a lot. It'd be great if you could hit that subscribe button and bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks.